Hey, good morning. So today we're going to work on your found materials sculpture. This builds on your paper sculpture that used the slot and notch method from last week. So today is a review day. You're going to take an inventory of all the materials that you've collected and narrow it down to the materials you want to work with. You're going to go to our Google slide presentation and review slide 21 through 25. And you'll see here that I have up, there are, each slide has a different project that is defined based on the materials you have. So if I was to click on this first one, you'll see, didn't want to go there. This first one, for here, it requires what you'll need. There's a section for what you'll need, so you can check that. This one is very basic. It just needs styrofoam cups and scissors and an X-Acto knife. This sculpture also does not require glue, so you can see that's not in that list. So if you don't have any glue, but you have styrofoam cups or even styrofoam plates, this would work for you. The slot and notch method is a great method for a no glue method. If you do have styrofoam cups or styrofoam plates, or possibly even paper plates and paper cups, this would work for you. It does require a hot glue gun, so that is an example there. The folded corrugated cardboard sculpture would work for someone who does not have scissors, a box cutter, an X-Acto knife, or glue. This would be kind of more attached and wrapped together. Also, some other attachment methods, if you don't have any glue, would be paper clips, which actually I had great success with using paper clips. So you can use paper clips with this project. There's a corrugated sculpture, two corrugated sculpture projects in this presentation. If you do these, you'll need a hot glue gun. So you're going to go through Google slide 21 through 25, see what each sculpture project requires. For materials, you're going to choose one. Now this is flexible. So for example, I used a drink cardboard from a drink carrier from Starbucks. And I loved the built-in positive negative space shapes in here already. So I did not use corrugated cardboard. I just used this thin cardboard. This would be the same kind of cardboard you would get from a cracker box or a cereal box. So if you guys forgot to collect your materials, take cereal out of cereal box, use that box. There's no excuse not to have materials for this project. It's very, very, very flexible. So your goal today is, again, to inventory your materials, narrow it down to the materials you will be using. You are then going to go to your Google Classroom and answer a question describing your project. This is worth 10 points. Easy points to get. When you are done with that, make sure that you always are going back and watching that safety video on how to use an X-Acto knife. That's on slide 3. Then check out slide 26 and 27. 26, here's slide 26 and 27. These are the attachment methods. One of our goals is to use at least 2 attachment methods. Now I understand if you have no glue, that might be hard and you might be only using the slot and notch method. I will not mark off for that. But if you do have glue or paper clips or a hot glue gun, then you can use these other methods. Or if you have tape, you can also use these methods. So that's another on that list. So watch this video on Google slide 27 and then answer the question about attachment techniques. This also is worth 10 points. So today's work is a total of 20 points. Make sure you do that. That will be great for your grade. Remember, all those questions are in the Google Classroom. You can find them in the upcoming so it shows you where those assignments are. You can also find them under the topic, paper and found material sculpture, and you would click on the question and just simply answer. Do not put your answer in the comment section. That does not appear as a grade. Put your answer in as the multiple choice, okay? All right, so that's today's assignment Monday. To prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to meet back here and I'm going to show you guys a sculpture being made in progress, and I'm going to use at least 2 to 3 attachment methods and talk to you about our goals in making a sculpture that's visual interesting, and how do we make it and progress and build it in a way where it has that three-dimensional form where it's interesting from all points of view. Okay, have fun. Take care. If you have any questions, you can email me or leave comments in the stream below.